Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the Texel questions on a beginning of the page where we had the heading of the chapter there on page number 45. Before you read, so here the space shuttle meaning is given. A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel. Okay, unlike a rocket, it is look like a rocket, for example between earth and a space station. Second was question, use a dictionary to do the task below. So find out the meanings of the following words and phrases. Look up the words underlined in the phrases. So naturalized US citizens. So the naturalized US citizen. So meaning of it. It refers to a person who has been granted US citizenship, although he was not born as a US citizen. Second one is space. The term space refers to the sky above the earth atmosphere. Okay, space meaning is the term space refers to the sky above the earth atmosphere. So, number C is frontiers of space. Okay, number C is frontiers of space. The meaning of is the phrase refers to the human desire. Okay, the phrase refers to the human desire to know the ultimate limit of space. In fact, no such frontier is known to man. Many believe that the space has no frontiers. Okay, the space has no frontiers. Next is abroad. It means being on a ship or an aeroplane or a ship, spaceship, etc. It is not used in context with the vehicles that move on earth. Next is lift off. Okay, how is it different from take off? Lift off and take off. So lifting off refers to the process in which some external ignition makes the spaceship or even an aeroplane rise into the sky. Okay, take off on the other hand is used when an aeroplane uses its internal power to rise in the sky. Next is crew, the employees of an aeroplane, a ship or a spacecraft are called crew. Notice the spellings of these words in this lesson. Airplane, program. This is how these words are spelled in American English. How are they spelled in British English? The British spelling of these words are airplane and program. So some words are changed American and British English in this chapter. In your exercise also there is a American English and British English spellings are different. It is given in the text. Now let us go to the working with the text. Answer the following questions. The first one is, where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American woman? Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana. I told you yesterday. Thus she was born an Indian, but later she went to US and became her naturalized citizen. So she is called an Indian American. When and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? So she went for her master degree. We learned yesterday that she went for her master degree to US. Earlier she had a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering in India. She married flight instructor Jen Pierre Hansen. Okay? Number 3. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? Okay. So after qualifying as a pilot, first she was qualifying as the pilot, Chawla applied to NASA's space shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected as NASA for training as an astronaut. It was her success as a pilot which gave her the idea that she could become an astronaut. Thus, she became an astronaut. So, when she finished her degree of and she was a pilot, she felt that she can achieve other goals too. So, she thought of becoming an astronaut. Number 4. What abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? So, according to the journalist, an astronaut needs enormous abilities. He or she needs to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In belief, he or she must have encyclopedic knowledge. Yesterday we saw in our lesson that the journalist says that we should have an encyclopedic knowledge. Now let us go to the question number 5. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. So Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space was in the space shuttle Columbia. It was of 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space. It also made tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. It was all done for a price tag of about $56 million. This is already located in paragraph number 5 in your textbook. The answer is already there. The same answer is taken in the question number 5 that describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. Now let us go to question number 6, that is, what does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? So the answer is in paragraph number 7. Kalpana Chawla says that it is possible to change a dream to reality. For this, one needs vision and courage. Yes, I agree with her that success is possible. However, I feel God's blessings are most essential. Okay, so dear students, today we have completed page number 45. Before you read the meaning of space shuttle, the words meaning we have gone through. Okay, till number F you have to write in your notebook. Then working with the poem, working with the text, question number 1 to 6 you have to complete in your notebook. Have a good day and thank you to all.